Hello friends, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit, and once again I welcome all of you to video series of Qlik Sense. In this video I am going to demonstrate you how to perform an advanced data visualization in Qlik Sense using extensions. So extensions are additional components which can be added into Qlik Sense, and by using those additional components we can perform visualization, or we can do data visualization. So first of all I'm going to demonstrate you, or I'm going to tell you that how to add the extensions on Qlik Sense, and then we'll see the various uses of those extensions. So in this video I'm going to talk about the dependency wheel, and let me show that how dependency wheel looks like. That's a dependency wheel, and this extension, it visualizes the dependencies between two dimensions using an interactive disk, and each disk it represents, or each disk section, it represents a dependency and link between arcs materialize these dependencies. So let's have a look how to add this particular dependency wheel extension onto Qlik Sense and how to use it. So I'm going to visualize this data. I have got a sales data and I'm going to visualize the data. So I'm going to visualize the region with respective to the product category, and I want to find out the total sale. So in this we'll be going to add two dimensions and one measure in that dependency field. But first of all, let's have a look how to add that extension in Qlik Sense, because right now let's have a look where to get the extensions and how to add the extensions into Qlik Sense. So first I'm going to create a new app, and I give a name as Advance Visualization. That's the app. I open this app and I'm going to load the data. So I click on add data, select all files, D drive. The data resides on my dataset folder and named as sales.xlsx, sales.csv. This is it's a CSV formatted file, and field names, embedded field names, and that's the data set. So I simply say load data and finish. So data gets loaded, and now I'm trying to edit the sheet. So there's a new sheet here, new sheet. Either we can close it or we can click on this my new sheet, click on edit, and we open the sheet in an edit mode. On the extreme left you can see four options are coming. First one is the chart, which gives you different type of charts which are available in Qlik Sense. The second option is custom object, and you can see in custom object, as I was talking about extensions, so right now there are no extensions added in this Qlik Sense, in our Qlik Sense. So we need to add the extensions externally. Third one is a master items for dimensions, and we can add new dimensions into it, measures and visualization. And fourth one is the fields available from the data set. But because we are going to work on extensions, so I only concentrate on extensions here, and I want to add the dependency field extension into Qlik Sense. So to add the dependency field into Qlik Sense, I visit a website branch.qlik.com. From here we can download the extensions free of cost, and click on projects. So these are the free projects available through which we can download and set up the extension onto our system, within our Qlik Sense system. So there would be a lot of extensions both for QlikView and Qlik Sense. You can filter it out. If you scroll down, you will see there is an extension named as Qlik Sense Dependency Wheel. So basically it's a D3 chart diagram to show major dependencies between two dimensions. So I click on it to know more about this extension. So this extension looks like this. For example, if I made a selection on Asia, also it will be display only the related items which are associated items with the current selection we have been made. So I need to download this extension. To download the extension, there's a URL coming over here, https://github.com. So I click on this link, and in this link it will open in a new tab, and we need to download all these files. So I'm going to download this in a zip format. So I download as a zip, click on download as download zip, and so I have made a folder on my desktop named as Qlik extensions and save it. So the extension has already been saved. That's the extension is downloading now. So you can see the extension has successfully downloaded. Now I'm going to unzip it. So I extract this Qlik Sense dependency wheel, and these are the files, GIF images, and these are the files which are related, which are associated with this. So I copy this folder, complete folder, because we need to add this into extension. So I copy this folder, and then on my C drive, users, my documents, Qlik Sense extensions, and I paste it in this directory. C drive users, the name of the username, documents, Qlik Sense extensions, and I paste this for the complete folder here. And now if we look at the extension section, so we need to refresh it. So I refresh it again, and when I click on extension, you can see a new extension has been successfully added named as dependency wheel chart, which we added or which we downloaded. So now I drag and drop this extension on my drawing area, and see it is asking for 2 dimensions and 1 measure to add me to 2 dimensions and 1 measure. So I click on add dimensions, and first one is region wise. So I select region, and the second is the product category, and the measure will be sales, sum of sales. And as soon as I click on sum of sales, you can see a dependency wheel has been created successfully. Now if we want, we can customize it. We have color and legend, we have aggregated dimensions, journal, title we can add. So you can see I have changed the title here, and if you want to add more features, if you want to customize it, you can do that. Once the customization is done, so once the customization is done, we'll save it. I'll make some changes in the color, that is sequential reverse color, and we can go for diverging as well. So I like this format, so I go for this one and click on done. And finally, if I made a selection on, for example, if I made a selection on Ontario, it will show me all the associated data related with this Ontario region, related with furniture, office supplies, and technology. So that's the total sale in all regions, in all product category. And if I want to go for a specific, if I want to find out a specific product category, I can make a selection of that as well. So that's how we can quickly filter our record, or we can filter the records, or we can visualize the data by using dependency wheel. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bsptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Qlik Sense. You can connect with us for the customized training on Qlik Sense. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching once again.